Hi everybody, I'm Zane Morgan. Welcome to Zane Morgan Crafts. I cannot truly believe that I just lost 4 months worth of video footage. So originally this video was gonna be on how I created a realistic playable game board that happened to be in a sewer. Well, shit happened and that's not what you're getting today. Instead, what you are getting is a look at what you can achieve using my brand new sewer tile system that I'm so excited about. Now, if you are familiar with my channel, you might recall this little gem here. Pop that little baby out. There you go. That video was trash. The only reason I say it's trash is because I have completely revamped it. Now you have a full-fledged dungeon tile system where you print the walls, you set them up how you want. It's really in your hands what you create with it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I created, and I really hope you enjoy it. So these are in no way your traditional dungeon sewer tiles type thing. No. What I made are walls. I designed them this way as you could place the walls over whatever type of play surface you want to utilize. Do you have a gaming table with a TV built in? Perfect. Do you play with a grid system? Put the tiles over a gaming mat. Really, the choice is yours. These also don't have any of those pesky connection bits. Now, if you want these to snap together, add some magnets to the sides, but really, honestly, you don't need them. I also created half wall versions of these walls, so that if you're concerned of being able to see over this, you now have this. There are two main types of walls with walkways and what I call slim walls. The walkways have an elevated area where your players can place their minis without risk of being in the filthy water. The swim walls are walls that go right into the sneaky depths. Mix and match these to your heart's desire and you'll have a sprawling sewer system in no time. Now, speaking of time, you might be concerned about the time that it's going to take you to print a usable set. While yes, it will take you some time depending on the printer, once you print them, you really don't have to go and replace them because these are durable. And especially if you print them with an FDM material, not only are they lightweight, but I could throw this and not worry about it. But really, once you print them, you're more than likely not gonna have to replace them. And not only that, they're a breeze to paint. I painted up about 50 pieces in one sitting. Now, as I had mentioned, I created a playable game board with these tiles. This allowed me to do a resin pour and add different details like vines and vegetation, things that are a little more fiddly, and I wouldn't have been able to do that if they were just individual pieces. I'm now gonna show you the cinematic that I created using the board, and this is just to give you a little idea of what's possible.
As you descend deeper into the bowels of the sewer, you hear a voice calling out to you, beckoning. Do you dare venture towards the disembodied voice? If you do, just remember, you're a long ways from the entrance in which you came.
Now, if you want to get your hands on a set of these sewer tiles, all you have to do is join my Patreon for the month of April. That's the $5 STL tier. You get access to 35 plus STLs. And if you don't want to join my Patreon, that's cool too. You still have a way of getting it. And that's by heading over to myminifactory.com. Links are all in the description here. It is at a heftier fee of $20, but hey, you're still getting an awesome set for a great deal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love my tiles. I want to see what you make with them if you do purchase them. And if I do ever recover that footage, I will totally put out another video showing the full build process of my game board. I'll catch you next time, guys.